Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a ramen chashu pork. Alright, to make a chashu pork, obviously important ingredient is our pork. Okay, this pork I already take a skin out. If you like, you can leave the skin off, which is no problem. But for me, I like it leave out the skin. Okay, and this is the pork belly, as you can see. Okay, I already trimming, like cutting about 2 centimeter thick, like this. If you don't know how to do it, you ask your local butcher. They can do for you. That is what you're looking for. And this weight is about after trimming skin and extra fat. This weight is about 1 kilo. And this size for this is the width is about 15 centimeter, then length is about 20 centimeter. Okay, first able we just turn this was the skin side, but leave a little bit the fat still on. That skin side down. Okay, now we want a little bit of seasoning inside. Okay, all the seasoning all you need is just a little bit of salt. Okay, you can just pick up by the finger. Seasoning like this is almost like you're making the bacon. All right, pinch salt like that. Okay, that's good for me. I use about 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, then you can start rolling up directly like that. But I got a secret ingredient is that this one is just the curry powder. You can buy any local supermarket whenever. This just mild curry, mixed curry powder. So simple. I really like this fragrance. All you need is just same as salt. Just take a little pinch, sprinkle on your top. What I like the curry powder is, I want this after we serve. You can taste just tiny kick of the curry spicy flavor. That is my secret ingredient. Okay, if you don't like curry, you can leave it out, no problem. Okay, this is about enough. Okay, this is my secret ingredient. Okay, just did a little bit of massage. Okay, now let's start rolling up our pork chashu. If you don't know how to do it, now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to tie up our pork. Okay, that is done. Now, what you need is this. Okay, what kitchen string. Okay, make sure this is for kitchen use. Kitchen string, like that. Okay, I'll show you how to tie up this. Okay, first we take your string, put under the pork. Okay, from the edge. Oh, I would like to say also about 1 centimeter on the edge. First able, all you need, just make a knot whenever you know how to make a knot. Simple. Okay, just make a tight knot. Okay, then make one more knot again. Sorry. Maybe show in this way you can see easier. Tight up, then make another knot. Okay, just tight up, make a knot. Okay, now just make a loop like this. Simple, easy. Then let's go in. Okay, make sure you see it go in like that. Then pull in. Okay, make sure the position. Then start pull in. Wait, this way. Okay, tight up. Okay, pull in, tight up. Then see. Make sure the position is right, also about 1 centimeter wide. Okay, as you can see, like that. And go in, under, and tight up. Just keep pulling this, tight up. Okay, show position if you want to make it fancier. Just repeat this loop go in. Okay, ensure in the position and tight up. Alright, then just keep going until the end. Alright, this is the last one. Then, okay, another way is turn your pork upside down and let your string all the way up to here. You see the knot, the knot here. Then make sure about this size, and you can cut. Okay, so the cut it from there. Okay, so you can see this is our string in here, upside down. Then, okay, let me show you. Okay, now look here. Just put the rule, put it through the first string, then come out, then go into the third one. So it's 1, 3, 5, just like this. You don't need to go to every single one. Skip one, then go into another one, like that. Okay, until the last one, go to, okay, then all the way back to the beginning. Then just tighten up to the beginning one. That. Then just make a note. Okay, then cut. You can cut the extra knot out. You can cut extra line out. Okay, then that is good. Okay, for preparation our pork. Okay, now we heat up our pan. Okay, make sure your pan is really hot. Okay, because we want now next step we're going to sear it. We're going to sear the pork. All right. Okay, now my pan is hot. Let's start going to searing my pork. Okay, make sure it's not oil, not any oil, because the pork will release oil. Okay, all we need to do is just go in. Okay, okay. Now I show you after searing. You see, it's become like a lighter brown. This is what we're looking for. Okay, what we need to do is just let searing all around. Then at the same time, as you can see at the bottom of the pan, they start to release the oil. That oil is from the pork fat. Okay, that is what we're looking for. Okay, right, as you can see, you see the oil release from the pork fat. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Okay, now, okay, while all my pork is seared perfectly, now get yourself a pot, and then take out our pot, pork, take out our pork, then put it into the pot. Don't wash your pan away, because for me that means it's flavor. So now I'm going to creating more nice fragrance. So get yourself nice, just half, okay, enough. Half red onion, then just get your red onion, nice chop like this, nice slice. Okay, now let's put our onion into the pan. Okay, as you can see, I didn't add any extra oil at all, just the pork fat. Okay, all you need to do now, let's start to fry our red onion. Okay, because the pan was so hot, so I switch off the heat first. Okay, because it's still very heat now, very hot now. Okay, look good. Now we turn back our heat on. And now you want to kind of light brown your red onion. Okay, the onion flavor is started coming out now. Okay. As you can see, so far still not enough yet. You want to fry it, make sure you want to brown. Okay, light brown there. Then you can create a really, really good fragrance. Okay. But you got to make sure keep it stirring, otherwise you're going to burn. Or you're burning because of the heat. Okay, now you can see it started light brown. And also, I wish you can smell. Okay, when you cook at home, you are really smelling the red onion flavor started. The red onion flavor. Fragrance still coming out, started coming out already. Okay, now keep your heat, high heat. Okay, don't turn down. Then this is my soy sauce. I have soy sauce here is about 2 cups. Okay. Now we start going to balancing with the salty. That is the mirin. I have about half cup of mirin in, and you want more. You don't want to let that we call that salt, very strong salty. Then what I got here is brown sugar. I have about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in. Okay, I like a brown sugar because brown sugar give you very nice like a sugar cane flavor like that. Okay, let me get a little taste for now. Beautiful, salty. And now, that is the Dutch stock. You want to put all your Dutch stock in. I have Dutch stock here. Here is about 5 cups, okay, all in. Then we put it into the boil. Okay, now all our sauce boiling. What you need is just pour into our pork directly, like that. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, good. Let me put this on the side. Okay, then bring back our pork back to the boiling. Okay, I want to show you things here. Okay, this sauce, as you can see, is not really cover it. In this stage, you can add more Dutch stock or water in. Okay, to just make sure it can be cover more. Then we bring back to boiling with the lid on. Okay, now it started boiling. As you can see, okay, in this stage, you want to turn to the low heat. Then you want to let it simmer for about 1 hour. So in that 1 hour, you want to turning like this. Okay, let me show you. You will like turning. Okay, turning every 15 to 20 minutes to make sure they can cook the pork equally. Okay, like after 1 hour, then you got switch off the heat. Then let it cooling down. Don't take out the pork yet. Let it cooling down to a room temperature. After cooling down, then you can just take out the pork. Then placing in the container or plate. Let it completely cool down. Then you can serve straight away, or you can just keep in the fridge to serve for next day. If you keep there in the fridge, I would like to say keep up to 4 days, should be no problem at all. All right, this I got the one in already cooling down. As you can see, the pork size is getting smaller. That's what is completely cool now. All right, then we can start to cutting. This sauce you don't want to store away, you can reuse, and also you can use it for ramen tari. Okay, okay, this is very cold, very cool now. So now let's start to take our string off. You just take this. Okay. Okay, right. String. Now let it cool down for about 4 hours. I think more, maybe 5 hours already. Okay, now we can start serve. Let me show you. Then we can start just slice. Okay, make sure you got a nice sharp knife. Okay, now then just carry on. Get a thin slice. That is beautiful. Okay. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now we can just serve in the plate whenever you like. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. You can serve straight away, but if you're lucky like me, I have a nice my kitchen toy. It's called a gas torch. It's my toy. I like this when I even barbecue whenever. It's nice to work. Okay, let me show you this. It's just attachment to the gas, so it's very nice, simple. Okay, we can just turn on our torch and just sear it a little bit on the top. Wow, I wish you can smell that. Very good, even come out more. All right, like that. You can see we can just brown it outside. Create a nice flavor. Some like smoky flavor like that. Okay, good. That's enough. See how beautiful it is. I wish you can smell. Very nice chashu. You can serve it straight away like that, or you can add a little bit of spicy whenever you like, or sometimes they put the teriyaki sauce, or you can serve it as like a Spanish tapas, and beautiful serve it with ice cold beer, especially when it's summertime. I enjoy a lot many times. And also, of course, you can serve on a ramen. Perfect match. Okay, if you want to see how I make a ramen, you can check my ramen video, how I make a ramen dish. All right. Okay, this is my how to make a ramen chashu pork. Thanks for watching. If you like a video, don't forget to click like and subscribe and sharing. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.